to Riga, a city of medieval charm, market chaos, and beachside bliss. You'll leave here wondering why more people aren't talking about this place. Alright, first stop. This is Rozengrāls, a restaurant that hasn't updated their decor since the 13th century. And honestly, it's a vibe. Hidden beneath the cobblestone streets of Old Town, Rozengrāls serves up medieval food, honey beer, and enough candlelight to tickle Dracula. Tradition says if you finish your meal without spilling anything, you earn Latvian knighthood. I did not qualify. This building in the centre of Old Town is the House of the Blackheads. No, it's not a skincare clinic. It's where wealthy 14th century bachelor merchants held their bachelor parties. Opulent halls, chandeliers, and probably the best medieval raves Riga ever saw. Next stop, Riga Central Market, located inside 5 giant former Zeppelin hangars. Yes, actual World War I era blimp hangars. Because in Latvia, even grocery shopping has dramatic flair. Here you can buy fresh produce, smoked fish, and at least 5 varieties of mysterious meats that I'm still Googling. Escaping the hustle and bustle of Old Town Riga, just 30 minutes by train is the beach of Jūrmala, Latvia's answer to the Gold Coast, minus the surfer bros and plus some pine trees. The Baltic Sea may not be warm, but it is refreshingly Baltic. Jūrmala is the perfect place to escape the city and pretend it's warm enough to swim. From medieval dinners to blackhead banter, market madness to breezy Baltic beaches, Riga's got layers. Like onions. Onions have layers. Riga has layers. You get it? They both have layers. I didn't spend nearly enough time here, but the time I had was incredible. Thank you, Riga. And now it's on to Vilnius in Lithuania.